Oh, I got lost on the way to you in an orange sky by the ocean blue.
Hi guys, so welcome back to our channel. So we are back with another project. We are finishing the fence at the side of our house. So let me show you. We have already started. We've done 2 holes, put 2 posts in, already cemented these 2 in, and now we're doing a 3rd one. We did this side and this side of our fence, but because we're very smart people, we didn't do this side. Explanation: because we had these shrubbery going, but now they're not doing the best, so we're just gonna put a fence in. So another huge reason why we're putting a fence in, because we have a dog, and we started training her to not go past the flower bed, and she's getting it, but you never know with dogs. She see a squirrel or a mailman, it's just simple things like that will just make her like take off. And then another huge problem that we've been having is our mail lady, the USPS mail lady, this one specific one. If you can look right here, I put 2 strings to block that side off, because she would deliver our mail and then she would just step right in the flower bed to come to the next door. And the other day I saw her and I wanted to, ask her politely, like, hey, could you not walk in the flower bed? And she like completely ignored me. I think I was like yesterday, I think. Yeah, yesterday. She completely ignored me, and I'm like, that is so disrespectful. Like, you have a flower bed, like, you don't step in the flower bed. So that's like another reason why. And she was like completely rude, like completely dismissive, like ignoring me when I was, trying to ask her not to do it again. So yeah, we decided, instead of dealing with all that bullshit, we just block it off. So you have to walk through the gate like a normal person would. So this is how far we've gone. So this one, see, not cementing this one, right? Just pack it with dirt. Alright guys, so my battery died, but it's all charged up, and we have made a lot of progress. So yeah, it's coming along nicely. How many you say I got more? About 3 more?
Yeah,
no.
12 posts total, 11 posts total.
Oh, I got lost on the way to you in an orange sky by the ocean blue. Every mile lost, my soul renewed, taken by the sunrise and the golden view. Walking slowly in the mountains underneath the constellations. Yeah, I know that you've been waiting for me. Time is losing all its meaning, like I'm living in a dream, and I've been chasing all the feelings I need. It's in these moments with words unspoken, my eyes wide open, life tastes so sweet. It's in these moments where all I know is coming into of night with the stars aglow. Heaven's up above, got me below. As I head to you, like the river flows. Walking slowly in the mountains underneath the constellations. Yeah, I know that you've been waiting for me. Time is losing all its meaning.
Alright, so we just put the last post in right there. So now we have all the posts in. So now we just gotta give it a day or so for the concrete to dry. And then now I'm gonna go back to priming until we run out of daylight. So I will see you in a few. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the video so far. But yeah, so like I said, I'm just gonna go back to finish priming, and then I'll give you guys an update on where we're at and how far we've got. Alright, see you in a few.
The next day.
Alright guys, welcome back to day 2 of putting up our fence. And yes, it is cold. So we've made a whole lot of progress. We did, hold on, we did paint, well, not we, because I did nothing. But Jay started painting. He painted all the posts black, because like I said, we're painting them black to match the fence. So Making a lot of progress. Yeah, Mama had to stop. Mama had to go inside, make dinner, take care of the kids, all that Mama stuff. So it looks good.
The next day.
Hey guys, so welcome back. So it is day 3 of our fence build, and this is where we are. So I think we have all the panels painted now. So I think we have probably, you have a timer going on these to do a second coat on them? Oh, that's the second coat. Okay. You did the back end already too? On the back side of it. All the tops, you can see them right here. Cut them off because we're gonna put like lights like on every other one, and then caps on top of them to finish it off and make it look nice. So Jay trimmed up all of the hedges. I got a question for you. For those who might ask, why didn't you just cut the tops off before you put the 4x4s in the ground?
Because this gives me wiggle room in case I go deeper than 24 inches.
Oh, okay.
When I'm putting it in the ground.
Oh, okay. And I forgot to show you our finished product of the fence, but when it's light out tomorrow, I'll show you. Oh, look, you can see like the light. Let me move my hand. The lights that we put on top, they just came on. We were thinking about putting one maybe on all of them, so it looks a lot brighter. Okay, and as I said, I was going to show you how the fence look. This is how it's looking in the daytime. We've gotten so many compliments on it. But yeah.
I was there when needed someone.